In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the name of a song on YouTube Shorts. As we've all experienced, sometimes you hear a catchy tune in a short that you'd love to find more about. Luckily, YouTube has made it quite easy for us to identify songs directly in their Shorts feature. First off, let's discuss why you might want to find this information. Maybe it's a song you can't get out of your head, or perhaps you want to explore more tracks by the same artist. Regardless of the reason, identifying the song can open up a whole new world of music discovery. Now, when you're watching a YouTube short, simply take a glance towards the bottom of your screen. You should notice a small music note icon. This icon is your gateway to identifying the song that's playing in the background. Think of it as the identifier of the music realm within YouTube Shorts. It's quite intuitive. You just need to know where to look. Once you spot this music note icon, go ahead and give it a tap. This simple action will unveil a wealth of information for you. You'll find the song's name displayed prominently, making it easy for you to recognize or search for it later. But that's not all. You'll also see the artist's name. This addition can be incredibly helpful if you're interested in exploring more music by the same artist. In essence, tapping the music icon not only satisfies your curiosity about the current tune, but also enhances your overall musical exploration journey. Moreover, with this same tap, YouTube Shorts conveniently shows you other shorts that are using the same audio. This is a fantastic way to see how a single song can be creatively reinterpreted by different creators, providing you with fresh perspectives on the music you already love. In this way, you're not just finding out the name of a song, you're diving into a community of sounds and interpretations. It's truly fascinating how just a simple interaction can deepen your musical knowledge and appreciation. This ability to find song information quickly and efficiently is a testament to how technology is continuously evolving to enhance our digital experiences. So next time you find yourself captivated by a song in a YouTube short, remember how effortless it is to uncover its identity and all the other creative content it inspires. That's all for today's guide on identifying songs in YouTube shorts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find endless musical inspiration using this tip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Keep exploring and enjoying the music around you.